In this video, you will learn how to sell Pi on Binance. This guide will cover the necessary steps to confirm if Pi is tradable on the exchange and what actions to take based on its availability. Begin by opening the Binance platform and navigate into the market section. Use the search function to look for the Pi trading pair. If you are unable to find any Pi pairs listed, this indicates that you cannot sell Pi on Binance as it is not available for trading. It is important to rely solely on the official Binance markets page for this information rather than third-party sources. If you confirm that Pi is not listed, you will not be able to sell it on Binance. In this case, you have two options. Either use another exchange where Pi is officially tradable in your region, or wait for Binance to potentially list it in the future. Be cautious of any tokens that may appear under the name Pi but are not the official version, as these could be misleading. Always verify the token contract and ensure you are on the correct exchange. Should Pi eventually get listed on Binance, the process for selling it will follow the standard spot trading procedure. First, you would need to deposit your Pi tokens into your Binance account, assuming that deposits are enabled for Pi. Then navigate to the spot trades section and select the appropriate Pi trading pair, such as Pi/USDD. After selecting the trading pair, choose the sell option. You will then have the choice between a market or limit order. Enter the amount of Pi you wish to sell and confirm once the sale is completed, the proceeds from the transaction will be available in your wallet. At this point, you can choose to withdraw the funds or convert them to another asset. It is essential to remember that until Pi is officially listed as a trading option on Binance, you will not have access to any selling features for this token. Ensure that you stay updated on Binance's announcements regarding new listings to know when or if Pi becomes available for trading.